Hello and welcome to this video. So excited to have you here. My name is Alexia and I am one of the global team members at the Love, Peace, Harmony Foundation. And thanks so much for tuning in to this video where we are going to have a very impactful, potent, and short pause for peace. So often throughout the day, we can put off things like taking deep breaths or meditating when we can actually integrate it into our day in a very chill and accessible, simple way. So I'm going to guide you in a very short practice right now to just de-stress, center, ground, and just come back to that place of peace that is always accessible to you in your own self, no matter what is going on in your life. One more time, you are not your circumstance, no matter how challenging things might be or what's present for you in your life. There is something on the other end of that to be discovered that is beyond our comprehension right now. And anything that you're feeling, rage, anger, depression, sadness, grief, heartbreak, betrayal, irritation, and more, all of it is totally valid, and it can also be transformed. So know that in your heart, that whatever you're feeling is welcome here, and it can also transform so that you have a more loving, peaceful existence in your life, in your heart, and within yourself. So it may not happen in one time watching this video, but it could happen after consistent practice. So keep tuning in, watch this as many times as you need, and you can come back and just skip right to the meditation part and do it as many times as you need throughout your whole life. This will be here for you. You are so loved. You are so necessary. And let's get right to it in this video. So I want to invite you, wherever you are, if you can close your eyes, close your eyes. Close your eyes. And if for whatever reason you can't right now, maybe you're listening to this in the background of doing something, just take a nice deep breath. And just join me in breathing into your lower abdomen. Naturally, but take a deep breath. Really breathe in and release. Now it could feel funny, but let's do this a few times because this is a trick. This is a tip, a way for you to activate your nervous system in a relaxed way. So we're taking ourselves out of fight or flight mode, out of survival mode, and into rest and digest mode. This is where the healing happens. So it's like a life hack. So close your eyes, breathe in, and exhale. Now let's just, every time we breathe in, inhale light, exhale darkness. You may even want to use your mind power. Visualize you are inhaling literal light that is healing and transforming negativity inside of you. And exhale the negativity. You may even want to imagine you are a dragon with healing power. And you are breathing in the nourishment, the sustenance, the light. Exhale, fire. Every exhale with the fire, you're burning the negativity, you're burning the blockages in the most loving, gentle, and ferocious way. Again, breathe in and exhale. Now, you can do this as many times as you need. This practice alone is life transforming. Just a few visualizations, a few moments of inhaling light, exhaling the darkness. As many times as you need to feel even a bit more calmness and relaxation inside. Now, again, focus in your lower abdomen. Visualize a ball of light. Whatever you can visualize is perfect. And I invite you to choose the color golden light, rainbow light, purple light, crystal light, any kind of light. But it is a globe in your abdomen, radiating in all directions, radiating infinite light. This means that no matter what darkness we feel, heaviness, anxiety, depression, negativity, no matter what we do, no matter what happens in our life, this ball to heal and transform this darkness exists in our lower abdomen. It is infinite and unconditional, and it is always there. So return to it whenever you need. Breathe in and visualize this ball just circulating, radiating, transforming negative information, thoughts, feelings, emotions in your field, dissipating them to light. Again, breathing in the light. Concentrate this light in your lower abdomen. Breathing in the light. Concentrate this light in your lower abdomen. Breathing in the light. Concentrate this light in your lower abdomen. Now, I'm going to invite you to repeat after me, silently or out loud. Dear my mind, I love you, honor you, appreciate you. You have the power to heal and transform. Please rest. Please sit in my lower abdomen and chant love, peace, and harmony 24/7. Thank you. Dear my information in my field, you are the boss. Please support all aspects of my being to align with the message of love, peace, and harmony. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, breathe in that message, that light, and exhale. Now, whenever you're ready, you may take all the time you need. You may open your eyes. You can even rub your hands, put them on your eyes, pat your head, your body, just nourishing it with light. Feels nice and cozy. And whenever you're ready, open your eyes. Beautiful. Now this is something you can return to anytime, as often as you need, as many times throughout the day as you need. Just like our phone, we need to recharge it. Sometimes we hit the reset button. This video is like that for us, for our being. So come hit the reset button whenever you need. Love you, love you, love you. And last but certainly not least, you see these most beautiful calligraphies behind me. They hold a very special frequency and vibration. They are like portals of light to higher dimensions. And throughout this meditation, throughout this simple short pause for peace, they are emanating out this light wherever you are, surrounding you. Love you, love you, love you.